Do you want to know how to recover your Roblox account without an email, password, or phone number? I'm your friend Niko, and in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to recover your account step by step. Before we begin, it's very important that you use the same device you've always used to access your Roblox account, be in the same location, and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This greatly increases your chances of recovering your account without any issues. Now that you know this, let's dive into the steps. Now open the Roblox app and tap on Login. As you can see, a box with my account pops up automatically. That's because I'm using the same device as always, and Roblox recognizes it. Just tap that box to continue. And if I'm helping you out, please give me a like and subscribe. That's it. As you can see, I've recovered my account without needing an email, password, or phone number. If you don't want to keep using the same device and you'd like to know which email and password your account is linked to, follow the next steps. And if this method didn't work for you but you still have access to your email, fast forward the video to the timestamp I'll show you. The first thing you'll do is open Chrome, then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Here, scroll down until you find the option labeled Google Password Manager. Once you're here, look for the option labeled Roblox. All set, you've got your Roblox account. If you want to see the password, just tap the eye icon. And if this method didn't work for you, don't worry. Keep watching the video because I'm going to show you a second way to recover your Roblox account. For this second method of recovering your Roblox account, it's very important that you have at least the email address you used to sign in. With that in mind, let's get started with the steps. First, open your browser and type into the search bar, Support Roblox. Once the results appear, simply click on the first option, which is the official Roblox support page. In this step, make sure to enter your date of birth exactly as you did when you created your Roblox account. This is very important so they can verify your identity correctly. Now, in the Contact Information section, start by entering the username you used on your Roblox account. But the most important thing here is to provide the same email address you used with that account, since that's how they'll be able to help you recover it. In this second section called Details of the Problem, for the first question you should indicate which device you're using. I'll select Android, since that's the device I always use to access my Roblox account. In the second question, you need to select the Hacked Account or Can't Log In option. After this, you'll see an extra option. Select Forgot Password. Now, where it says Describe the problem you're having, enter this. I can't access my Roblox account because I forgot my password or someone hacked it. Now I can't log in and I need to recover it. Then, after you've typed that, click Continue. If this video is helping you, support me by giving it a like, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. Here it will ask you to complete a puzzle verification. It's very easy to do. Just watch how I do it. It's common for an error to appear after completing the puzzle. You just have to do it again. In short, here they're telling us, "Thanks for letting us know. Can't reset your password? Or do you think someone changed your email and password without permission? So here I recommend that you respond with, I think someone changed my password and email without my permission. I can't reset it and I lost access to my account. Here they're telling us, thanks for the info. Do you still have access to the email you used for your Roblox account, or can you no longer log in? Then respond with, yes, I still have access to the email address that was originally linked to my Roblox account. Here, what they're doing is confirming that it's really you, and that's why they show you your username. Here, just confirm by saying yes that it is your username. Here, they're telling you they can't help you, but forget about that. What matters now is that you click right where it says email address. In this part, scroll down a little and tap right where it says recovering your password. Here, scroll down a bit and tap where it says forgot your password or username. We've reached the most important part. Here you need to enter your email address. Now quickly check your inbox and copy the code they sent you. If it doesn't show up in your inbox, open the menu and check your spam folder. Sometimes it ends up there. Here, as you can see, all the accounts linked to the email appear. You can select any of them. I'll choose the one I want to recover. Once you've selected the account, you'll need to create a new password. To avoid any issues, I recommend using a password similar to the one I'm showing on screen. As you can see, I recovered my Roblox account without much trouble, just by using Gmail. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if it worked for you, leave a thank you so others can see the video really works.